Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports eSIM or Wi-Fi tethering. This matters because hardware limits the options. Next, sign into a hotspot service or portable router app so you can create a local network. Once done, make sure location and network permissions are enabled. Finally, pick a prepaid data plan from an app store, eSIM store, or provider portal and have your card ready. This speeds activation and avoids interruptions when you switch networks mid-setup. You buy an eSIM or temporary data package through a provider app or QR code. Scan and accept permissions because the device writes a virtual profile that behaves like a SIM. Once installed, open network settings to verify the APN and enable data. If automatic setup fails, manually enter APN values provided by the seller. Make sure tethering is allowed and prefer 4G or 5G bands in the connection menu. These choices determine speed and reliability for your tasks. You finish by verifying connectivity with a speed test and loading a secure site. This confirms DNS and routing are correct. If you get no data, restart the device, reapply the eSIM profile, or toggle airplane mode. These simple resets often force a fresh network registration. If problems persist, switch to a Wi-Fi hotspot or portable router while you contact the vendor. Keeping screenshots of settings and error codes speeds support and helps you get back online quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.